this is the taper clamp. As you can see, this is a little bit tapered in there. And then the hub that it goes on is also tapered. And the idea there is that the tighter you tighten it down, the more force there is and more surface area clamping it to hold it in place. So that just goes on just like that. And you have this washer here that makes sure that the hub can slip, but you're holding it into place on the hub, so the outer part will still slip if there's a gate strike. So what you're going to do is just tighten this down. You can see just finger tight. You can still move the gate pretty easy. So when you're tightening your taper clamp for installation, you're going to want to get this wrench, which shifts with the operator, and tighten it down, which my finger tight is a little weak apparently, and give it a little snug turn, and then go out with the gate about 45 degrees and just see if it'll rotate on the hub. This one, you can see it's still slipping a little bit, so I'm going to give it another half turn or full turn, and then call it good. The intent here is to not go too tight, because you still want, in the event of a gate strike, that's about a quarter turn, you still want the hub to slip so you're not damaging the operator during a gate strike. So that's that. Turn on power and let it run then.